Xiaomi just did it again, trying to revolutionize the world of smart TVs. For most of us, every time we see the word Xiaomi, we automatically associate it with cell phones, but it turns out that Xiaomi not only manufactures smart cell phones, but a lot of technological things including televisions and even vehicles. The TV we're about to analyze is a low-range Xiaomi TV, a model with very interesting specifications at a very good price. We present the Xiaomi Mi TV P1, which is available in 4 different sizes: 32, 43, 50, and 55 inches. We'll be checking out the 32-inch in this video. If you're here, it's because you want to know if this is good quality TV brand. To tell the truth, neither do I, but you're welcome to join the ride. Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel, and for those returning, it's good to have you back. I'm Shababs, and in this video we're gonna unbox and review the Xiaomi Mi Android P1 TV. We will check each and every one of its features, functions, etc., but mostly try and answer if it's worth your money. And yeah, just in case this video is too long, we might have to divide it in 2 or 3 parts, but the links will be included in the description. You can also click on the end screen for the next part. As per the general specs on the box, and starting with the back side, only thing is the name and model of the TV. On the front side, we see the SITDT logo, and some of you might be asking, what is SITDT? Well, if you're in Latin America, it's just a new way to enjoy digital television. It allows you to watch your favorite programs with better image and sound content, several of them in high definition HD. The box is quite simple, practically cardboard. Down below here we have some information about this TV. It's HD with a resolution of 1366 by 768. It has Google Assistant, Chromecast. It's an Android TV. You can access Netflix and Google Play to download your apps, YouTube and Prime Video, and it supports DTS HD and Dolby Audio. On this side, information that it's an Android TV, and we can also see the model and of course where it is made. Made in China, it says. And on this side, only thing written is that it's an Android TV. More information about the audio output, and well, it has HDMI. So that's all there is to know basically about the features of this TV written on the box. So without further ado, let's unbox.
My lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a f***ing name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss.
Upon opening the box, we have 2 bases. Some of you might call them stands or supports, depending on whatever you want to call it. A safety instruction about how to handle the device, and we have a bag in which we have the following: a 360-degree Bluetooth remote control. Looks nice, doesn't look cheap and disposable, which is a good thing. A bag of screws, a sticker, a user manual which is in Spanish and in English, only those 2 languages, a warranty card, and finally the TV. That's everything that came in the box. Before we go into details about this TV, we're going to install the supports and get everything ready. Now, to install each support at the base of the TV, you have to use 2 screws on each base. The size of the screws are ST4 by 14 mm. Talking about the stands, although they are made of plastic and they look very skinny, they are solid enough to guarantee that the panel will remain stable even if accidentally pushed. So first thing we need to do, make sure to place the TV panel on a flat surface. Next, get the supports and make sure to differentiate between the right and the left of the support or the right and the left of your TV base. Now, normally on most TVs, you're going to have R, which means right, and then you look for the part of the base labeled R, and that is what you're going to install on that side. And same thing goes for the other. We don't have any labeled side. The R is not labeled on the support, neither is it labeled at the base of the TV. But something to take into account is that the longer side of the base usually faces the front of the TV and the shorter side faces the back of the TV. And since there are no labels in this case, you might not easily see the difference in length. So we're going to have to depend on quite a couple of things. One, that we have to use the guides and the holes. In this case, there's a big one and a small one. These holes help locate where each base should be facing. If you can't easily distinguish between the longer or the shorter side, you can measure it with anything available. You might just want to get something straight, place them so we've got something like this, and measuring from here to here we have this, and you can observe it's a little bit shorter. So just looking at this side is going to face towards the back and this side is going to face towards the front. Remember, you got the 2 holes to help, and each hole must face the corresponding side at the base of the TV. That's going to help you determine which is the right or which is the left. So now that you have that, get the screws and firmly screw the supports. You might probably need a star screwdriver. Remember that the shorter side is going to be facing the back and the longer side is going to be facing the front. Do this process for the other side and finally test to make sure the supports are firmly installed.
This is an anti-slip, so it gives like more security when installing or when placing your TV.
All set. So a little bit about this Xiaomi TV. The Xiaomi Mi P1 model L32M6-6ARG Smart Android TV comes with a 32-inch HD display, which is 1366 by 768 resolution, and it is bezel free on 3 sides. Advantage of this is a higher screen to body ratio and 178-degree viewing angle. It comes with Android 9 operating systems, features a MediaTek processor equipped with Quad CA53, up to 1.2 gigs CPU, Mali GPU. It has 1.5 gigs of RAM and 8 gigs of storage. Google Assistant is also built in, and it comes with a Bluetooth remote with voice control. It has 2 stereo speakers with a sound output of 5 watt on each side and supports Dolby Audio and DTS HD decoding for powerful 3D sound and details. The power button is completely hidden at the bottom of the TV, just below the MI logo, and right next to it, or let's just say in front of it, the LED light. Theoretically, power consumption is 50 watt. I believe the first time the TV has to be powered on manually. As per connectivity, you can connect multiple devices to your TV. Here at the back we have 2 USB 2.0 ports to connect to flash drives. I'm going to leave the supported video, audio, or image formats on the screen. Ethernet to connect with the network cable. Composite in AV to connect to electronic equipment like DVD players. Cable in port to connect to your antenna or cable subscription. 3 HDMI to connect to computers, game consoles, TV boxes, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Other connectivity, which we'll talk about later, includes the Bluetooth 5.0, and it supports Wi-Fi 2.4 and 5 GHz. And if you want to wall mount it, the VESA measurement is 100mm by 100mm, or in your case could be 10cm by 10cm. So at first glance, the TV looks excellent. Its frames are thin and the remote control is very comfortable and doesn't look cheap at all. But one of the Achilles heel is it's made of plastic. That is, lots of plastic. The frames are plastic, the back is plastic, even the supports are made of this material. We're now going to turn on our TV for the first time, set it up, and see what other internal feature we have. But unfortunately, this is as far as we'll go for now. For those who are only interested in the unboxing, I hope this video has been helpful and has given you enough information about this 32-inch Xiaomi Mi TV P1. But if you're interested in knowing more about this TV, the initial setup and other features, you can click on the link below or click here on the end screen to access the next part. I appreciate your time watching this video. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. Also, let me know what you think about the TV in the comment section, and if you already have any experiences you would like to share. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to receive a notification every time we upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and as always, catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.